Tara, let's explore Covent Garden!
Hi guys, I'm Jubilee.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel! Samahan niyo ulit kami, your favorite lakwatserong Tito, sa isa na namang gala here in beautiful London.
Since it's Sunday today, we're starting this adventure on a meaningful note. We're heading to Hillsong Church, London to worship and give thanks.
Siyempre guys, it's important to pause and reflect. Also, dahil autumn na, medyo malamig na ang simoy ng hangin. Tito tip! Magdala ng hand sanitizer, mag-layer ng damit, at huwag kalimutan mag-vitamin C. Mas okay na maging ready kesa magkasakit sa biyahe.
Tama! Let's be grateful for this opportunity to explore, and let's keep our hearts grounded. Welcome to church, everyone!
After church, nag-decide muna kaming maglakad-lakad muna. Actually, gutom na kami, so we're on a mini food hunt. Samahan nyo kami as we look for some food to try. By the way mga Kalakwatsa, pupuntahan natin ngayon ang Covent Garden.
Covent Garden is just a 10-minute walk from Dominion Theater. Tito tip! Use Google Maps para mas madaling mag-navigate, especially when walking around central London.
Did you know na noong 1600s, Covent Garden started as a fruit and vegetable market. Fast forward to now, it's one of London's most vibrant areas. Puno ng mga shops, cafes, and entertainment. Welcome to Covent Gardens!
Fun fact, noon, may mga exotic animals pa raw na binebenta dito tulad ng monkeys and even elephants. Grabe no, ang daming nangyari dito through the years.
Isa pa, Covent Garden is one of few places in London where street performance need a license. Makikita mo pa rin sila ngayon like magicians, musicians, acrobats, all in one piazza.
Nandito na tayo sa Apple Market, isa sa main attractions dito. Every Tuesday to Sunday, You'll find handmade jewelry, crafts, and art prints. On Monday naman, it's all about antiques and collectibles.
Tito tip! Kung gusto nyo ng chill at relax na pag-iikot at ayaw nyong sumabay sa madaming tourist, go earlier in the day. Kasi usually, mas madami na ang tao paghapon.
Wow!
Another thing to love about this place, may mga restaurants na may live performances while dining in. Parang mini concert while having your meals. Complete experience!
At ito pa, we're now in Jubilee Hall. This building has so much character. It's a mix of heritage, shopping, and even fitness spaces all in one area.
If you want to shop and go around here, Jubilee Market has different schedules for a variety of products. Every Monday, you can find antiques and collectibles. While Tuesday to Friday, there are general market for bags, souvenirs, and clothes. Of course, on the weekend, all arts and crafts stalls naman.
Nandito rin ang London Transport Museum, where you'll see everything from old buses and tube trains to famous transport designs. There are fun hands-on exhibits that tell the story of how London's transport evolved over time.
Take note, entrance is not free, so check out their site for details. Nakakagutom talaga ang mag-explore. While walking, you can see that there are so many food options around. Kaya medyo nahihirapan kaming makapili. Pero if hindi naman kayo picky, may mga easy to grab food around.
And habang nag-iikot kayo, make sure to stop and watch the street performers. They make Covent Garden extra special. Parang live show sa bawat kanto.
This place feels like a movie set. Open-air square, old-style buildings, and that classic English charm. Ang sarap lang maglakad-lakad. We saw a Singaporean restaurant, but to be honest, Chinese food cravings hit us hard. So, off we go to Chinatown instead.
On the way, nadaanan namin ang isang quirky pub. Full of vintage and travel-themed decor. Kakaiba talaga.
And here we are, the Greedy Sheep, located right in the heart of Chinatown. They're known for their Chinese lamb soup noodles with a traditional twist.
Simple lang ang setup, very modern and clean. Pero ramdam mo pa rin ang authentic Chinese vibe.
Okay, kain na tayo. Super excited na kami sa food.
I got the roasted duck, juicy and savory with crispy skin. Grabe, ang sarap!
And I ordered beef brisket. Ang lambot ng meat and full of flavor. It's like warm, slow-cooked comfort food. Perfect for the cold weather.
Hong Kong style.
Quick side trip. This is the smallest toilet I have ever seen. Look guys, but everything you need is here. Cool, diba?
And of course, ending the day with our favorite bubble tea. We went to Happy Lemon and ordered their famous milk tea with salted cheese. Lasang dessert and drink in one. Nakaka-happy talaga. Salamat sa pagsama today mga kalakwatsa.
To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out these videos for more London trip